In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to get Uber discount codes and promo code. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Uber promo code or the Uber coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Uber. So navigate to any of it. I'm gonna check out this one, Groupon. Once we're inside the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals. Just scroll down and check out all the coupon codes, 50% off, $40 off, 20% off, and many more. Just click on any offer that you wanna try. You're gonna get the code. Copy it, but make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it has been expired or not. After you check that, you can copy it. Now navigate to the website of Uber, make your purchase, and while you check out, you can use this code. You can also try out other offers. Also, you can check out other website. For that, head back. You can go through these websites. Here as well, you're gonna find tons of coupons and promo codes for Uber. So that's it. This way you can easily get Uber discount codes and promo codes. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.